Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to week number 14 lecture. Last week we started sequential circuits. In sequential circuits we discussed latches, what are the different type of latches, okay, flip-flops. Now we are going to we are going to start today flip-flops. Broadly speaking, there are two types of flip-flops, negative edge trigger and positive edge trigger flip-flop. What is the difference between negative and positive edge trigger flip-flop? As its name indicates, negative edge trigger flip-flops, it works when there is a negative pulse is coming, or we can say falling edge. Opposite is positive edge trigger flip-flop. First we are discussing negative edge trigger. Yani when data is here, for example, there is something on D. Okay, this is D. When we will see when it will reach to output during the negative edge here. Unlike latches, in latches we discussed D move to Q. D move to Q in latches when there is a, we can say, high levels or low level as what we are defining. But in flip-flops, it depends upon edges, negative edge or falling edge. So first thing we are discussing now is negative edge trigger flip-flop. Okay, how we are constructing it? It is here. This one is this total circuit. This is negative edge trigger flip-flop. How we constructed it? As you can see, it is made up of two latches. What are these things? This is D latch. This is one D latch. This is second D latch. Just to recall, what are D latches? D latches are clock based level sensitive. For example, when the clock is high level here, whatever is on D, it will move to Q. This is D latch we discussed last week. Okay, that's why it's better to start this lecture, go through week number 13 lecture first, then it will be easier to understand. Anyway, this combined circuit from here to here, it is negative edge trigger D flip-flop. How it is working? Okay, see, this is D here. Okay, this is the input. You can say this is something what is in this area. It is inside. We are interested finally. These are our outputs and these are our inputs. Okay. So whatever is here, you can say we are saying it is master. First one D latch is master. Second D latch is slave here. QM. Here you can say QM. It will follow D. Is it? Whatever is D, it will pass to Q if clock is high here. If clock is high, whatever is on D, it will become QM. We are saying this output as a QM. Okay. What is second slave flip-flop? You can see when positive pulse is here it will be negative pulse. Is it? Because it is passing through inverter. So we can say when here it is like that, you can say this master, it is working here. We are saying this is clock pulse here. Okay, so it's mean master is working on high level and slave it is passing through after it is connected after inverter. So this is the working of slave latch. Is it? Because when it will be positive here, it will be negative, and these both are positive level latches. Okay, now let's see how it is working. First, what you can see here, This is clock, is it? This clock is going here to first, which is master. Okay, so whenever positive high level is here, high level of clock, we are interested in high level. Let me erase one thing first here. Okay, so whenever high level of clock is here, we will see whatever is on D, it will pass to Q. Whatever is on D, it will become QM. So this level is coming, is it high level? Here, what you can see, if clock is high here, high level, here Q is low, is it? Q is low here. So Q is low until here. This is our QM output here, first output. During this high state, when D is changing, is it? D is changing here. So this change you can see here as well. Until it is now becoming low level, it is now zero level. So we know whatever is here during this stage, it will continue. Is it? Now second positive high level of clock is here. Now we will see what is here on D. As D is low here, so output QM, it will drop here. And during this stage, whatever is here D, it is following. As it is low here, that's why you can find here it is low until here. And you can see here as well, clock is low, clock is low. We are talking about first latch, which is master and which is depending on high level. So whatever is here during low state, it will not affect QM. So during high state now of clock, rising edge, this one a high level. Now D is, what is here? D, high level state. D is high, so QM is high here. Okay, so what we can say? We can say this first one is master, whose output is QM. What is the output of master? QM. It is simple D latch. Okay, it is D latch following D if clock is high level. Whatever high level, it will follow D. QM will follow D when high level is there. Okay, this is, I think, clear. Now see second thing. Now we are going to discuss slave now. Let me erase here now. Okay, now for slave, as we know, as we discuss, slave, here slave is depending, is passing, coming after inverter. So whenever low level of clock is here, whenever low level is here, it will become high level. Okay, high level, and then it will work. So now we are interested here in clock low level. We are discussing now slave. So where we are interested? In low level, is it? In low level of clocks. Okay, and what is the input of this D latch? What is the input of D latch? This QM is input now, is it? So we can say this Q, which is also equal to QS, it will follow QM, is it? When clock low level is here, because clock low level means it is high level. So Q or QS, both are same thing. Actual output is our Q. We can say Q will follow QM when clock level is low. Okay, so we are looking now QM and clock low levels. Okay, you can see here during this state, what is here on QM? Low, is it? So this low is continue. Okay, this low is here. Now second level, low level, which is high for here, during this, what is here? What is on QM? It is high, so it is high here now, is it? And it is changing to high now, and we are not interested in high, so it will continue whatever is here till end. So high it will here now. Now another level here, this level, what we are looking now, what is value of qm? Qm is now low, so here it will continue, is it, until we will see what is here. Okay, so until here it is low, so it is following low. Now this stage, another level of this one, what is qm? Qm is high, so it is jumping to high now here. Okay, so what we can say, q or qs, it is depending upon qm when during low level of high, low level of clock. Okay, now this is what we discuss something internally. If we see as a broad picture now, when we combine this, okay, now we are going to discuss now in this perspective. We are looking now d, clock, q and qs now. Okay, we are not interested now intermediate, this one now qm. Okay, let me erase here. Yes, now actually what I said, we discussed. Now we are interested in uh, d, clock, q and q. Q bar, you know, it is inverted simply, so q. We are interested in three things. Okay, now when we construct, we connect d latches in this way. One is master, other is slave, and its output is becoming input. This is clock directly connected, this one is connected through inverter. If we are connecting, it become negative, these three things, now they become negative edge flip-flop. If you see now here how clock, d and q are related, now we are going to discuss. See, now if you see here, you will find this thing, now it is changing. Yani, if we see, this q is changing on clock, not levels. Now it is changing based on edges and especially negative edge flip-flop. See here now, if you see directly, so see, we are not discussing now. Okay, we are interested in dq input, d and clock input, and q as output. Okay, clock as this output only, because we know q bar is simply inverted here. So if you see, whatever is coming on negative edge here, okay, negative edge of clock, for example negative edge, what is the value of d? If you see this falling edge, d value is high, and here it is changing, is it? Here it is changing. So now we can say d is changing during negative edge of clock or falling edge. See here another, when it is falling edge, what is d here? It is low. Now it is changing from high to low. So we can say transition in output q, it is following d, checking d when clock negative edge is coming, is it? Now see this one here, what is happening here? When this change is coming, this change is coming during falling edge of clock, and this falling edge value of d is high, so it change from low to high, is it? You can check here, it is changing from low to high when falling edge. Okay, second thing, whatever is d high, it is changing now. So what is this? This what we discussed, negative edge trigger d flip-flop. In general, in summary, in negative edge d flip-flop, q will follow d, is it? During clock, which state? Falling edge. This is negative edge trigger d flip-flop we discussed. This we can construct it by combining, by cascading two d latches, is it? So this is the brief working of negative edge trigger d flip-flop. Hope you will understand it. If something is missing, if it is not clear, what to do, Shabab? Everything is here. I think it's very clearly written here. What we discussed theoretically, everything is here. Okay, you can go through here. You can understand. You will understand. Second flip flop. Second flip flop is here. It is positive edge trigger flip flop. Exactly like negative edge, but now what will happen now? In negative edge, it is depending here. In positive edge, now output will follow D when we will check during rising edge of clock. This is positive edge trigger D flip flop. Okay, so Shabab, if I ask you here to what to do based on this one, for example, Shabab, yes. If I ask you to draw here, for example, Q, it is positive edge. Can you draw its waveform? Okay, so this is your practice. Draw waveform depending upon clock, depending upon D. Okay, what is the waveform here of positive edge? Yani simply you will check these points. Okay, this will become this. Okay, so one thing I forgot to discuss. This graphical symbol. This is the graphical symbol of negative edge flip-flop. Okay, first of all, it is D flip-flop because D and Q is here. Second thing, if you note, here it is negative edge. First of all, check. This is clock. Okay, clock is here. But here it is bubble. It's mean negative edge D flip-flop. Negative edge D flip-flop. Just to show you one more thing, just to recall, what is the difference between D latch, okay, so of D latch and D flip-flop symbol. If you see here, okay, let me do one thing here. Yes. This is symbol of D latch. Okay, so this is symbol of D latch. Let me do one thing here. This is the symbol of D latch. Okay, and this is the D latch. Okay, you will find there is clock is here, but there is no symbol of here. Something is, it is not here, is it? Okay, if you will see here, this is a D latch symbol. Okay, and what is the symbol of D flip flop? We discussed. Okay, see, this is the symbol of D negative edge. First of all, in latches and flip flop, in latches and flip flop, what is the difference here in symbol? Here it is like that. Now it is showing edge. Okay, it is depending upon now which edge, positive or negative. This symbol is showing negative edge. If it is positive edge, if I ask you to draw positive edge, it will come later now. Anyway, this is the symbol of you can say positive edge, is it? D, Q, and this is Q bar. Okay, this is positive edge, is it? This is positive edge symbol here. It is coming later now. Okay, anyway, positive edge trigger flip flop, same like negative edge, but here it is depending upon rising edge. It will follow, output will follow D when during this stage, any positive edge of clock. Okay, so this is some working here of this one. If you want to leave, neglect it, no problem. Okay, because it will take time. As we discussed, this is a symbol of positive edge. It is flip-flop. Why? Because here it is. And what is negative positive? Here there is no bubble. It's mean it is positive edge trigger flip-flop. Okay, now there is something we discuss, I think, level sensitive and edge sensitive flip-flop. Now in detail we are discussing level sensitives versus edge sensitive. Latches are level sensitive, yani it depends upon high level or low level. Okay, if this is flip flop, they are edge sensitive. Okay, there are first, okay, if you see here, actually we are going to discuss now this. Okay, let me just a minute. uh, Here, yes, sure. What is first one? This one is, yes, what is this? This is, yes, this is D latch. It is not flip flop, is it? This is D latch. Why it is not flip flop? Because there is nothing here. First one is D latch. Is it okay? D Q. There is no symbol. Okay. Second one now. This is flip flop. First of all, positive or negative, there is no bubble. It's mean this is Shabab. This is positive edge flip flop. Okay. What is the third one here? Third one is flip flop for sure because here it is, and it is bubble here. It's mean it is negative edge flip flop. Okay, so these three are together. Now actually what we want to see here, we want to see here, so you can see here what is the output of D latch. Output of D latch here is QA. Output of positive edge flip flop is QB, and this one is QC. Common D is applying to all, is it? And common clock is here as well. So we want to see the waveform here. Yes, Shopsy. If you will understand, I think waveform you can draw yourself. It's mean you have understood all of three before. Okay, try to solve yourself. Try to understand how it is. Okay, if you can stop this lecture here, stop it, yani yourself, and try how QA, QB, QC is coming depending upon clock. We are discussing anyway. Yes, Shopsy here. This one is latch output, is it? This one is positive edge flip flop. This one is negative edge flip flop. Let me enlarge it now. So see, first one is latch, so it is depending upon levels, is it? Second one, it is here as well. So QA, what is QA? It is latch output, so it is following level, high level. What is happening here during whatever is on D happening? You can check here, it is directly. For example, during this high level, D is changing like here, is it? Falling, rising, falling here. So it is exactly like here if you see. Is it? So here it is stable, here it is stable as well. And during this it was low, now it is following low. Whatever is changing here, D, it is not following because low level. Now here it is high level again coming. Shabab, okay, high level coming. So we will see what is here on D. QA will follow, exactly following here. Same thing, is it? Whatever is here on this state hole, whatever is here, it is there because high level. During high level of clock, whatever is on D, it is on as a QA here. Okay, now we are going to discuss second, which is QB. Okay, what is QB here now? As we discussed, QB is output of positive edge flip flop. Positive edge mean, is it? We should note down this thing here and here. So what is here now? If you see this positive high, when it is high, what is here on D? It is high now. So here it is high, is it? Now it is, this transition is coming in output QB. This transition is during positive edge of clock. So during this positive edge, value of D is high, so it is D high until here, until next positive edge of clock. During next positive edge of clock, D is low, is it? So here it is move to low, and it will continue here. Okay, I think it's easy, it is not difficult. You guys have an idea, you studied in your associate as well, the same thing. Now if it is asking you Yes, Shabab. If it is asking here to do what to do, if QC now, we are going to see QC here now. What is here QC? QC is negative edge. So what we should see here, let me erase here first. Okay, now negative edge, now we are looking negative edge. What is here transition is coming? During this negative edge, is it? During this negative edge, value of D is low, so it is low as well. Second negative edge, value of D. Value of D is high, so it moved from low to high. So it's mean QC is depending, changing when we are checking when negative edge of clock is coming. Okay, Shop. So this is the something here. All three inputs. There may be many variation. It may ask in your quizzes or exam. What can be variation here in question for example? Shabab here check. If 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 I am connecting here this, so it's mean there will be something. This is inverter, Shabab. What is this I connected here? This clock is going after inverter to D latch here. Or similarly, yes, Shabab, if I connect here, so now levels will different you can do. Okay, if I ask you, Shabab, to draw this diagram, redraw this one based on this circuit, two inverter I added here. This latch, it is connected after inverter. This negative edge, it is connected after inverter. So what will be the changes now? Okay, so you have draw it again. What to do? Draw QA, QB, QC based on this one now. Okay, try to do yourself. So this is something we discuss all three together. You should note these symbols as well. There is a difference how it work we discussed. Now, Shabab, flip-flop parameters. What are flip-flop parameters? As like D latches, we discuss some parameters. Is it? These are the same parameters here as like latches. What are these parameters? We will not spend enough time. Actually, before changing, coming this edge, for example, before we are discussing case of positive edge flip-flop. Before the positive edge of flip-flop, D flip-flop, D must be stable. Okay, this is something T setup. Okay, here you can find its detail here. Okay, this concept is same as what we discussed for latches. D is loaded to the input and the logic value of this one during the setup time. Okay, value of D must be stable. Shabab, see, value of D must be stable before the edge of clock. This is said to be TSU. This is TSU. Before the positive edge of coming is coming, clock is coming, D must be stable. This is this one. Second thing, after this edge, D must remain stable for some time. This is hold time. It is exactly same as like parameters of D latches. Latches parameters, similarly, these are the timing parameters of flip-flop. Okay, so this is something we discussed flip-flops. Now something more. Actually, until now we did not discuss any flip-flop, either positive, negative, with preset and clear. Now we are going to discuss preset and clear. What is preset mean? So what is preset mean and how it affect on Q? Preset or set. When preset is 1, output will become 1, you can say. Okay, sorry, here it is actually it is active low. What is here? Here it is, show up here. Here the symbol is so preset is active low. It's mean if it is 0 here, if it is 0, because it is active low, it is 0, output will become 1. Is it? And similarly, and opposite. For example, here it is 1. Okay, so it is not affecting here. And what is here? Clear is 0, which is also active. Yani it is active low. If clear is 0, what will happen here? Generally, we discuss here it will be 0. Is it? So clear or reset. Sometimes we use, instead of clear this term, we sometimes we set it as a reset. Is it? Instead of clear term we use reset, and instead of preset sometimes we use term set. So both are same term, set or preset, reset or clear. Okay, so thing is that here, other than now, what we are looking now, other than D, there may be two possible inputs, preset and clear. In some flip-flop, preset is there only, any D with preset, sometime D and clear, sometime here. In this flip-flop, what we are discussing, together with this input, there are also two input. One is preset, other is clear. What is preset clear? As discussed, if preset is active, which is here is 0 case, any preset is 0, output will be 1. If clear is active, yani if clear is 0, D will be 0. No need to see D. Okay. For example, if it is 1, Shabab, if it is 1, 1, then it is simple D flip. Okay, D flip flop. Which type of flip flop it is? It is negative edge trigger D flip flop. Is it? So what we can say here, we can say what is this type of flip flop? Sure, see, what is this type of flip flop? What is the name here of this flip flop? Name of this flip flop is, it is, okay, negative edge trigger flip flop. Is it? Flip flop with active low, preset and clear. Let me enlarge it so that it will become more clear. Where it has gone? So anyway, what happened to it? Yes, sure. What is here? This flip flop, this one. What is the name of this one? It is negative edge. Is it? It is negative edge trigger flip flop. Why it is negative edge? Because of this bubble. Okay, and with preset and clear. Okay, more specifically, Shabab, it is better to write more specifically. It is asynchronous. Asynchronous negative edge trigger flip flop with active low, preset and clear. This is the name of this flip flop. It is negative edge. Okay, why we are saying asynchronous? See, Shabab, here preset and clear, is it depending upon clock or not? No, it is not depending upon clock. It is independent of clock. Yani if preset is, for example, Shabab, here if preset is 0 and clear is 1, output will become 1. Is it? We will not see what is here now. No need to see. So it's mean this output, okay, it become 1 when preset is this one, irrespective of clock. So here in this flip flop, for preset or clear, we are not checking what is here on clock. It is negative edge or not. So it's mean this preset and clear, it is asynchronous, yani it is not depending upon clock. In short, Shabab, see, asynchronous mean not depending, okay, not depending upon clock. So this is asynchronous flip flop. Okay, whenever, How we are saying it is not, because here it is not depending upon clock, it is outside clock. Okay, you show up second flip flop. Now what is the name of this flip flop? This is, you show up, what is the name of this second flip flop? This is the first one. We are saying this is first. Here we say here it is first. Here is, it is the first one, is it? This is first flip flop. Okay, now what is this here? What is second flip flop name? Yes, who will now what is the name of this second flip flop? This is flip flop, first of all, because of this is positive edge, is it? It is positive edge flip flop. And what is here further, this thing, it is also asynchronous. Okay, it is also asynchronous positive edge trigger flip flop with preset and clear. Okay, what is here? With preset and clear, is it? With preset and clear. Why we are saying always with preset? Sometime only clear is there, sometime preset is there. With active low, sorry, with active low, is it? Both are active low, it may be active high as well. Anyway, show up, what is the third one here now? What is the name of this one? Show up, see, this is synchronous. Why it is synchronous? Because you can see clear and everything. Okay, here when clock, it is depending upon clock. Okay, it is depending upon clock, so it is synchronous positive edge trigger. What is this? It is synchronous, okay, positive edge trigger flip flop. Why it is here? Because show up, see, whatever is clock, okay, this D, it depends upon clock, and clear is coming with D as well, is it? So this input depends upon clock and clear is here as well. So it's mean when here it is depending, this clear is depending upon clock, so it's mean it is synchronous. And why it is this one? What is here? It is actually, you can see there is no bubble, so we are saying here it is positive edge trigger flip flop with active low clear with active low clear, is it? Active low clear, you can say, because clear is with 0. Okay, anyway, these all are the flip flops, D flip flop. First one is negative edge D flip flop, synchronous, asynchronous. Here it is asynchronous positive edge with preset and clear. What is here? Active low. Okay, and this is synchronous D flip flop with clear, active low clear. Okay, so these are what we discussed, all flip flops. This is the end of flip flops. Now what we are going to discuss now, registers. Flip flop, you can say it is holding only one bit, is it? One bit, for example 1 or 0, whatever type is here. So if we need to hold many bit, for example memories are, for example 8 bit or 16, 32, if you combine 1 kilobyte, 1 megabyte, 1 gigabyte, they are the memories, is it? So it is combination of many flip flops. Memories generally they are made up of flip flops or capacitors for this one. So what is register? As we discussed, flip flop store 1 bit information. A set of n flip flops, any combination of is become, okay, referred to as a register. Combination of n flip flop is said to be register, and it can hold more than 1 bits. There are two types of registers, very famous, common. One is shift register. We are going to discuss now first shift register. This is the picture of first shift register. It is very easy. You can see this shift register. It is made up of positive, is it? D flip flop, positive edge trigger D flip flops. How many? bits of register, it is 4-bit register. Is it 1 bit? Because one can hold here 1 bit, 1 bit, 1 bit. This is 4-bit parallel register. This is 4-bit shift register. How it is working? Shop, you can see. Okay, is it okay? As we discussed, this is flip-flop, is it? So positive edge is coming, whatever is here, it will become Q1, is it? For this positive edge, whatever is here, it will pass to Q2. Here, it is like that. This is simple as what we discussed, positive edge. So, for example, now see first condition. When time t0, input is 1, okay. What is happening here? You can say, what is the output? This combine is the output, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. What is the value here? Q0, 0, everything is 0, okay. Now time 0, there is no time, yani the clock is not coming. Time t1, first time is coming now. So whatever is here, it is passing to here, is it? First clock pulse is coming here first. So whatever is here, it passed to during this state. Whatever is here, it moved here, is it? Okay, and what was here? 0. So 0 is here already, is it? So it is like moving here in this way. So whatever is here, now this one is here, this one is here. Similarly, it is following during second stage. Now, so see, second time, what is input now? 0 is here. Okay, what will happen with second pulse? This one will move to here, is it? Okay, what is here? 0. Now this is now become here. This 0, it is moving here, and so on. Okay, during this stage, okay, what is here? D1, here it is 1 now. So you can say here it is now moving to this one. This name is serial register. This one is shift register. Okay, yani bits are moving from here to with each pulse here. Okay, go through this one. It is not difficult, very easy concept. We discussed D flip-flop. With each clock, whatever is in, it will move 1 bit, 1 bit, 1 bit here in this way. This is shift register. Okay, I think it's enough for today. We are keeping ourselves until here because it will be too many things. Okay, Shabab, this is, we are keeping ourselves until here. Next week will be your quiz. Okay, next week will be your quiz, as with according to our discussion. Quiz because 15 week 7.5, it will be online as well. Okay, so quiz will be online. It will be available. Quiz will be available. We will discuss in WhatsApp group as well. Okay, we can, anyway, this will be, I think period 3 is fine. Okay, if yani from 9 to 9:45, we will discuss everything on our WhatsApp group as well. Okay, so next week will be quiz. What is included in quiz? What is Shabab included in quiz? You can say till today whatever we discuss. Okay, yani until here this register. Okay, or leave this register. Registers are not included until flip-flop. Yani until here. This is included here. Okay, we will start next time. Even from this register, we will discuss this register and next whatever is remaining. Okay, so up till now. So it's mean in quiz, inshallah, which will be next week. What is included here? Shabab, too many things. We can say chapter 6. This is also included in quiz. Until flip-flop parameters. This is the content of this chapter, sequential. Also, which chapter we discussed, whatever we discuss in this chapter, yani combinational circuit, it is also included. There are too many things. Okay, whatever we discuss in this chapter, it is also included. Let me show you content actually. Yes, this is also included in quiz. For example, whatever we discuss here. Okay, all these topics. So chapter 5 and chapter 6 until flip-flops. Okay, inshallah, best of luck. Just do your best. Inshallah, if there is anything, you can ask me in lab. Okay, see you. Just do your best for quiz. Assalamu alaikum.